Now I'm on play. Okay, today we're going to have a mix-up. Instead of having nachos, we're going to use our organic shoestring cut French fries, our organic grape tomatoes, some beef and bean taco mix that I had left over from December 22nd, and shredded cheese, which Mike is going to get some cheese shredded for us. And I'm going to get the French fries out, kind of thaw them out a little bit, put them on here, and we're just going to layer it all up. I'm wondering if I need to have a different stone than this one. It's pretty little. You know what? We're going to change out. We are. Look at that. Just like that, we change. I'm going to use this pan with Silhouette mat in it. That's what we're going to do. So here's your cheese. You can take that and start shredding it. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I got my French fries all lined up out here. And I'm going to let them thaw out a little bit. And I think I'm going to stick them in the oven while Mike is shredding the cheese. In case you're wondering what we shred our cheese with, I have the big KitchenAid mixer and I have a small KitchenAid thing, grinder, whatever. But we like to use this because if we don't use it all, it has this really nice lid that goes on top like that. So then you always have your freshly shredded cheese in your refrigerator or whatever you're shredding. But we use this to shred our cheese, and it comes with a coarse grind or shredder, a fine shred, a slicer, which slices pretty thin. I think it'd probably be good for, I don't know, potatoes, zucchini. There is a hand thing that you have with it too. And then this one here is a julienne. And I just poked my finger on these guys. They're very sharp. And it cakes it down like that too. So anyways, this is what we use to shred our cheese with when we go to make anything that needs our cheddar cheese that we use. And I picked this up over in Shipshawana at a store that's south of E&S. It's got all the pretties outside. There's a kitchen area. Lots of cool kitchen products over there. So anyways, just wanted to let you know. Okay, so I got my French fries in there getting warm, kind of getting a crust on them, you might say. And then I've got my tomatoes sliced up. And Mike sliced up all this cheese. And this is nice and warm now. So just kind of like waiting around until the French fries come out. And we'll put everything on them and we'll stick them back in the oven. I like my little toaster oven. Okay, so the French fries came out of the oven and they were warm. They weren't quite ready, but they were. And everything else just throw it on. So, I mean, you don't need a video to show you how to throw your meat and bean mixture on and then layer up your tomatoes on it with your cheese. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's your food. Play with it. Now it's all on there. It's going to go back in the oven for another, I don't know, 20-30 minutes until it's nice and bubbly. It's got to be hot. And that's it. Cooked it under the broiler for about 13 minutes. And look, it came out all nice, ooey and gooey. And I added some sour cream. And this is the kind of meal that we don't even get plates. We just each grab a fork and sit on either side of it and munch down. It's delicious. This is my lunch today. French fries, beef and bean Homemade taco meat. Look at the steam. We're eating just like this.
Just like this, okay.
Tomatoes, cheddar cheese, and sour cream.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Delicious. You really must try different things on your French fries.